Hi there and welcome to our review of the Kitchen Academy. 15-piece non-stick pots and pans set designed for induction cooktops. This set includes multiple fry pans, saucepans, casseroles with lids, and a 5-piece utensil set for all your cooking needs. The graniteware coating ensures excellent non-stick performance, allowing you to cook healthier meals with less oil. Made with an aluminum core, these pans heat quickly and distribute heat evenly on any cooktop surface. The Bakelite handles offer heat resistance and stay cool, making cooking safer and more comfortable. Plus, this cookware is free from harmful chemicals like lead, PFOS, and PFOA for your peace of mind. With quality materials and dedicated customer support, this cookware set is built to enhance your kitchen experience. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.